Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the obvious controls so you don't chase ghosts. Press the volume up button during an active call to ensure call audio increases. If it adjusts media only, open settings. Make sure the ring/silent switch is set to ring and silence mode is off, since that affects alerts. Then go to settings, right arrow sounds and haptics, and slide ringer and alerts up. This sets the baseline level for incoming call audio, which often fixes low call volume immediately. Once done with basics, move to settings and hardware that commonly interfere. Turn off Bluetooth or disconnect headphones so the iPhone uses its handset speaker. Then open settings, right arrow accessibility, right arrow audio/visual to disable phone noise cancellation, which can lower perceived volume in some environments. Check call audio routing to ensure calls route to the handset, not a car system. Finally, inspect and gently clean the speaker grill and remove any case that might be muffling sound. Physical obstruction is a surprisingly frequent cause. Finish by applying software fixes and verifying results. Restart your iPhone and install any available iOS updates, because system patches can resolve audio bugs. Afterward, place test calls to several contacts to confirm consistency. If volume remains low, back up and choose settings, right arrow general, right arrow transfer, or reset, right arrow reset all settings, which clears configuration without erasing data. If that doesn't help, seek hardware repair, book Apple support or a technician. Troubleshooting tip: test with speakerphone and wired headphones to pinpoint handset speaker failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.